I'm starving. Meaning, I'm very hungry. Example, let's grab lunch, I'm starving. It's not a big deal. Meaning, it's okay, not serious. Example, sorry I forgot. Don't worry, it's not a big deal. That's a good point. Meaning, you made a valid argument. Example, we should wait until next week. That's a good point. It slipped my mind. Meaning, I forgot. Example, I was supposed to call her, but it slipped my mind. I'm not in the mood. Meaning, I don't feel like it. Example, wanna go out? Nah, I'm not in the mood. What's up? Meaning, how are you? What's going on? Example, hey, what's up? You look tired. I'm just browsing. Meaning, looking around without intention to buy. Example, thanks, I'm just browsing. Long time no see. Meaning, it's been a while since we last met. Example, wow, Sarah. Long time no see. I'm running late. Meaning, I'll be late. Example, sorry, I'm running late. Be there in 10 minutes. It's up to you. Meaning, you decide. Example, where do you want to eat? It's up to you. I'm afraid I can't. Meanings, polite way to decline. Example, I'm afraid I can't come to the party. That sounds great. Meaning, I like the idea. Example, let's meet at 6, that sounds great. Thanks anyway. Meaning, thank you even though it didn't help. Example, sorry, I don't know. Okay, thanks anyway. No worries. Meaning, don't worry about it, it's okay. Example, sorry I'm late. No worries. That makes sense. Meaning, I understand. Example, oh, now that you explained it, that makes sense. Take your time. Meaning, don't rush. Example, no need to hurry, take your time. Hang on. Meaning, wait a moment. Example, hang on, I'll check for you. not my cup of tea. Meaning, not something I like. Example, horror movies are not my cup of tea. Long story short. Meaning, to summarize briefly. Example, long story short, we missed the flight. Out of the blue. Meaning, unexpectedly. Example, he called me out of the blue. Break the ice. Meaning, start a conversation in a social setting. Example, a joke is a good way to break the ice.